My name is Felix Lundin, and I'm a carpenter, content creator, and ambassador with System Edström. And I'm going to show you guys around how I have my van rack system organized. Here on the left side, I have these two drawers with flip-down fronts. Super easy. These are like my most common used tools. Up here, both on the left and the right side, I have these assortment cases, tie-downs, and other stuff that is usually pretty hard to organize. Over here I store most of my tools that I keep in a sustainer. So here's a router and router bits. And up here also sliding compartment for my track saw and circular saw. Up here I have this long shelf where I can keep tracks for my track saw and all my levels and such. Here I have this sliding pegboard for drills and drivers and screw guns. Here I have a stack of drawers. Up here, miscellaneous tools, fasteners, nails and stuff. Really nice having this on the side door and being able to keep smaller items neatly organized. Like little carry case. In this one I keep fasteners and plugs and stuff like that for indoor use. And up here just more open shelving that fits great for like bigger items like a nail gun, my recip saw, other stuff like that. So I by no means have perfect organization in here, but this system saves me time and makes it easier to organize all my tools, especially the miscellaneous tools that usually clutter around otherwise.